You're exactly where you are right now. Not partially, not accidentally, not because of bad luck. 1000%. Your life, good or bad, is the direct result of the choices you've made. Your money, your relationships, your health, your career, your friendships, your family dynamics, all of it, without exception. And that truth makes most people very uncomfortable because it removes their favorite excuse. Most people want results without changing behavior. They want progress without discomfort. They want growth without patience. They want transformation without boredom. But here's the reality no one wants to hear. Unremarkable lives are built on unremarkable hours. The hours you waste scrolling. The hours you numb yourself. The hours you just get through. The hours you kill time. Those hours don't disappear. They stack in one direction or the other. And the hours of today are the forecast for tomorrow. If your days look the same, so will your future. And this is where people break. Because doing the right things without seeing immediate results is brutal. Lifting before the physique shows up. Saving before the money compounds. Building before anyone notices. Showing discipline when no one's watching. Most people quit here. They quit before they even really get started. Not because the path doesn't work, but because it's quiet, dark, lonely, and at first, very unfulfilling. But something interesting happens when you don't quit and time goes on. When a goal takes root in your mind and you stop treating it like a wish and start treating it like a certainty, the world begins to shift. Not loudly, not magically, subtly. Opportunities appear. Timing improves. People show up. Information finds you. And what most outsiders will call was a coincidence. It's actually alignment. Because once belief is locked in, your actions change and the environment responds. And nothing about this is luck. You didn't end up here by chance, and you won't escape it by hope. Your next chapter is being written hour by hour. So choose carefully, because whether you realize it or not, you're building something every single day.